Finding inner peace, beginner's meditation practices. In this video, we'll explore gentle and accessible meditation techniques designed to help you cultivate inner peace, reduce stress, and enhance well-being. Whether you're new to meditation or seeking to deepen your practice, these beginner-friendly techniques will guide you on your journey to finding inner peace. Let's begin. Before we dive into the practices, let's take a moment to understand what inner peace is. Inner peace is a state of tranquility and harmony that arises when we are fully present and at ease with ourselves and the world around us. It involves letting go of worries, judgments, and attachments, and embracing the present moment with openness and acceptance. By cultivating inner peace, we can experience greater clarity, resilience, and joy in our lives. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to cultivate inner peace is through breath awareness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes gently. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Focus on the rise and fall of your chest or the sensation of air passing through your nostrils. Whenever your mind wanders, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Continue this practice for a few minutes, allowing yourself to be fully present with each inhalation and exhalation. Another powerful practice for cultivating inner peace is loving-kindness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes gently. Begin by silently repeating phrases of loving-kindness to yourself, such as "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be at peace." Allow these words to resonate deeply within you as you extend feelings of love and compassion towards yourself. Then, gradually expand your circle of compassion to include loved ones, acquaintances, and even those with whom you may have difficulties. This practice can help soften the heart and cultivate a sense of connection and goodwill towards all beings. Remember, inner peace is not something we find outside of ourselves, it's a state of being that we cultivate from within. By incorporating these beginner-friendly meditation practices into your daily routine, you can nurture a sense of calm, clarity, and compassion in your life. May you find peace in every moment, and may your journey towards inner peace be filled with joy and discovery. And remember to check the link below this video for some more help with starting out your meditation journey.